Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn the laundry business. First, thoroughly research your local market to understand customer demand and identify your target audience. Analyze existing laundromats to pinpoint their strengths and weaknesses. This crucial step helps you define your unique selling proposition. Next, craft a detailed business plan, covering everything from startup costs to your projected revenue. This plan will be your roadmap to success. Once your plan is solid, focus on securing funding. Explore options like traditional bank loans, small business administration loans, or even personal savings. Aim for a financial cushion of at least 3 to 6 months of operating expenses. Simultaneously, identify a prime location. Look for areas with high foot traffic, easy accessibility, and ample parking. Confirm the site has robust water, gas, and electrical hookups to support commercial machines. Now it's time to select your equipment. Invest in durable, energy-efficient commercial washers and dryers that meet your business needs. Consider machines with various capacities, from 20-pound to 60-pound loads, to cater to diverse customer requirements. Develop clear operational procedures for everything, including cleaning, maintenance, and customer support. Regular preventative maintenance is key to minimizing downtime and extending the lifespan of your valuable assets. Finally, focus on marketing and growth. Create a compelling brand identity and promote your services through local advertising, social media, and community engagement. Offer competitive pricing, perhaps a 25% discount for new customers, and consider loyalty programs to encourage repeat business. Always listen to customer feedback to refine your offerings and explore opportunities for expansion, like adding dry cleaning or delivery services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.